Good night. This is my activity for today. Slide 2. Categories. First, your favorite vacation. Second, a challenging situation. Third, a childhood memory. A favorite vacation. Where did you go? Answer. I went to an island called Juan Chaco in the Pacific Ocean. This island is 90 minutes away by a speedboat from Buenaventura. This place is very visited by many tourists because in the month of August and September the whales arrive in these warmer weathers to pair and have their babies. Who did you go with? I went on this trip with my mom. This was her birthday gift. When was the vacation? These holidays were in August 2019. This is some picture. A challenging situation. What was that situation about? Due to the pandemic we are experiencing, our company wanted to collect money $10,000 Canadian dollars to give 1,500 markets to families with food insecurity. This goal was to be completed in 30 days. By the last date, we managed to meet 85% of the markets. When did that situation happen? This situation occurred in the month of April 2020. How did you feel? I was happy. On one hand, because we were able to help many families, but on the other hand, a little sad because we could not meet the goal. A childhood memory. Why was that situation important in your life? This situation is important to me because it was the last birthday I celebrated with my cousins when we were children. Then they left the country. One lives in Prague and the other lives in Australia. We haven't seen each other for a long time. Sometimes we meet on social networks. How old were you in that moment? I was 4 years old. Who were you with? I was with my cousin Luis Miguel. He lives in Prague. And with my cousin Claudia. She lives in Australia. Luis Miguel and Claudia are brothers. Conclusion. The moments that I remember the most in my life have been next to the people I have loved the most, such as my mom, my family, and my friends.